Hey guys, welcome back. Now we are going to modify our product grid a bit. So here you can see we have almost all the data which is required here. For example, we have the ID of the product, name of the product, categories are there, their units are there, minimum stock is there. But in our site, we have seen that what is the current stock for the product and what is the status of the product as well. So all these things we are not able to see right now, so that we are going to see here. So we are going to add first of all the current stock of the product here. So this is the minimum stock, and after that we will add a column for the current stock for the products as well. So here, okay, so this is minimum stock, and here we are going to create a grid column. Okay, and the label is going to be here current stock. So this is the current stock for the product, and the value is going to be here. We already have one expression rule created which can give us the value for the current stock as well. So this is our rule, so we can directly call that here. And the product id is going to be here fv bang row, and then just copy this value from here, paste it and put it here id. So this is going to be the product id here, and it will give you what is going to be the value for the current product, and the alignment is going to be here. So we will align in the end for this values. So here you can see what is the minimum stock and what is the current stock for the product. So as of now, I guess everything is minimum only. Okay, so let's go to the next page, and here you can see bamboo toothbrush is 200 stock. Here it is 200, and vitamin C tablets we have added, so that is 100 here. After that we have to write the status of the product as well. So as you can see here, there is different statuses. So let's see the status part here as well. So after or before is active, we can add one status as well. So this is the grid column here, and this is going to be the label, and label is going to be status here and the value. So see, now we know what is the stock for the product here, and now we want the status of the product. If you go in the design document, there is something called as product status logic. If no transactions is there, just show no data. If stock is 0, then show them out of stock, and if stock is less than minimum, then show low stock, and if stock is greater than or equal to minimum, then we have to show them in stock. Same condition we have to apply it here. So you can see the condition is a bit nested, so we are going for a match condition here. So first of all, let's create a local variable to get the stock for the product here. Okay, so local bang stock for product, and same expression rule we can use for the stock for the product as well. So this will give us the stock for our product, and after that we are going to use a tag field. So this is our tag field, this is the tags, and this is the tag item. So, and this is going to be the text here, and it is going to be the match condition. The value that which you want to match here is local bang stock for product. This is here, and when true, it means that we want to check when it is true or false. If it is null or empty, okay, no data at all is present here. Okay, so here fv bang value. So whatever you have written in the value, you can access that with the help of fv bang value. So if it is null or empty, we can say here no data. Okay, if it is null or empty, and let's define a default parameter as of now as well. So that's fine. So all equals when true must be followed by a then. Okay, I guess when true it should be then. Okay, now let's see all these values. Let's go to our first page, and I don't think we are going to get null data, but anyway, that can just act as a default value as well. So if it is null or empty, then default will be, let's make it here no data as of now here, and we don't need that condition maybe. Okay, what was the other condition? Because see, our rule is going to give us 0, or for any other product nothing is present, then 0 at least it can give us. Okay, so next here is if stock is equal to 0, then it should give us out of stock. So we can remove that condition, and we can write another condition as when FV bank value, okay, is equal to 0, then we are going to write it here out of stock. Okay, so this part is ready here. So all these values are going to give us out of stock. So it's not okay, so FV bank not row, it should be value. Okay, now it will not break. So here all these items are going to be out of stock. So here you can see these are all out of stock, and whichever has the data, it is giving us no data. So as of now it's taking the default value. So anyway, we are currently fixing this one. The second value is FV bank value if it is less than minimum value. It means FV bank row, okay, and then IMS product dot minimum stock. If it is less than minimum stock, then what it should do, then it should show us lowest stock. So this is the lowest stock data. So here you can see these are the minimum stock, and this is all the other values. The next condition is if the value is greater than equal to this minimum stock, then we have to show them in stock for them. So this is going to be the in stock. Now that is fine. Click on test here and let's see the values here. So our first page is all about out of stock. The next page here you can see there is no data. Why it's still taking the no data? Because should be greater than, right? Product ID is 10. So let's see here for 10 what is the value which is returned here. So it is returning 200, right? And for 200, first of all, is it equal to 0? No, it is not. Then is it less than minimum stock? No, that is also not true. Is it greater than equal to minimum stock? Yeah, this condition is not actually executing here. Maybe at the end it is a list of number. Is it due to that? So what I will do here is I will just add it, or maybe I can use cast here. So cast, okay, and let's make it here type number. Okay, so we will use here type of, okay, 1, and it will type for the integer type. Let's check whether this will remove the list or not. Yeah, it does remove that. And click on test here. Now let's see whether it is working or not. So these are all out of stock. Let's go to the next field. Yeah, now this is working fine. It is in stock. Okay, and all this tag field, okay, so whatever we have taken, it should get aligned in the center. So these all should be center. So this tag items are done, text part is done. The next here is background color. Again, the same match condition we will take for the background color. I do have some background color ready with me. So if it is out of stock, what should be the color here? So let's see. So for out of stock, I am going to use this color. So this is the color for the out of stock value. And all these values will also, we will try to write it. As of now it's breaking, so I do have some colors prepared. So see here, out of stock is a little bit of red, not a very high tone but a very light tone of red is there. Now if it is less than minimum stock, then it should give us a kind of warning symbol. So for here we are going to use this color here if it is less than minimum stock. So if it is in the minimum stock, then we are going to use this color here. Okay, I guess it is reversed a bit, right? So this value should be used here and this value should come in here. So we will just replace it. Okay, so just cut it from here and replace the values. and now it is fine. So now we are able to see the value. So here you can see all of them are out of stock. Go to the next page, and from here you can see some will be in stock and some are out of stock. There is some low stock as well present, and for this column we will align this column into the center part. So this is the value here and this is the alignment. Okay, so this is align and it will be center. So now we have used our center alignment as well. Click on save the changes. So in this way we have enhanced our product grid as well. So here you can see this is created by created or modified. If you don't want, you can remove as well. Our product grid was much better. Okay, so we can remove as well these two additional columns, modified by modified on. If the requirement is that no, we have to show it somehow, then we can show them. Otherwise you can comment this one out here. Okay, click on save your changes. Once these are saved, that's done. So as of now we have seen the product grid. Okay, it is ready here, and the next thing is going to be our summary, in which we are going to create again some KPIs for the products as well, like what is the minimum, current and total stock in, out, the transactions and the details as well. So that was all for now guys. Thank you.